11 Labs just released 11 AI, a free personal assistant that you can control with your voice. Let's give it a try. So I'm gonna start a call.
Good afternoon there. Ready to dive in?
Yes, I would like you to help me research a new topic on the AI news. So can you do that for me?
Absolutely. I can help you investigate a new topic on iNews. What specific topic are you interested in?
Yes, so there is a new case between Sam Altman and the company named IO. So I don't know anything about it. Can you research and provide me with some detail?
Okay, I'll look into the situation between Sam Altman and a company called IEO. I'll use a search tool to try and gather some details for you. Please be aware that this might take a few seconds.
Okay, so it got IO incorrectly, but maybe it will figure out
It
something.
appears Sam Altman has been involved in a few controversies. One is a family misconduct lawsuit from June 2025, which Altman denies. There was also an OpenAI leadership controversy in late 2023.
I think I can also interrupt it. Let's see. Okay, it's you got it incorrectly.
Are you still there?
Yeah, if you can hear me. So it's called, the company is called IYO. So research OpenAI, Sam Altman, IYO controversy, and give me very brief news about that. So I hope it will work correctly this time.
I understand now. You meant IO, not IO. I will search for information about the company IYO.
Okay, that's good. So it's performance search.
I should know about them, or are you interested?
Okay, it got some details about the company.
Okay, I found information on two companies named IYO. One
Okay.
is an audio computing technology company
Yes.
based in Redwood City, California, specializing in screen-free digital experiences through voice commands. The other is IYO International Limited, a UK-based company focused on the treatment and disposal of
It's the
non-hazardous
first one. It's the first one.
company were you interested in?
Yes, it's the first one, but I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know. The interaction is not as natural as it should be. Anyway, so 11, I want you to research this company and the clash between it and Sam Altman and OpenAI. Let's see if it does.
Okay, let's focus on the first IYO, the audio computing company. I'll look
Okay.
for any interactions or connections
Good.
between them,
The search
Sam
query is
Altman
better now.
and AI. I will use a search tool to try
It's using
and gather some
Perplexity,
details
by the
for
way,
you.
here.
Please be aware that this might take a few seconds. Okay, it looks like there's quite a bit of information available. Sam Altman and OpenAI are currently in a legal dispute with IYO, the audio computing company.
All right, this is really good, 11. So I want you now to create a calendar event on my calendar with some details about this, because I'm gonna make a video about it tomorrow, 7 p.m. GMT plus 3.
Create a calendar event for you with details about the IYO and OpenAI legal dispute. I'll set it up for tomorrow at 7 p.m. Africa, Cairo time. What title and description would you like for the event? Also, would you like me to add in?
Just write them based on the news you got, okay? Okay, so it's actually creating an event, again asking for confirmation, and I'm gonna approve that. And if I go to my calendar, I believe I should find it in there.
From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Africa/Cairo time. The description includes details about the trademark infringement and intellectual property theft allegations. The event ID is EBSB 9R332J3Chi79U1045BBH.
I don't know why it does
In your Google Calendar. Is there
spell
anything else
that.
I can help you with?
I need to turn off the call, but it's not responding. I don't know why. Again, it's just has been released in a few days ago, so maybe there are some issues. All right, so we have some settings here. Actually, the setup is very simple. You just choose a voice, and what's really good about this, if you have your voice cloned or someone's voice cloned like mine here, you can use it, but you have to be on the pro plan in 11 Labs to use this feature. All right, you have the language here. Simply, I chose Arabic, but it's speaking in English, so I don't know, maybe it's not performing well, or maybe because I have to talk to it in Arabic that it will change the language. If you need a custom behavior, you can do this here. And what's really important here is the integrations. Currently, they have very limited integrations, so Perplexity for research, Notion for accessing your notes and tasks and so on, Google Calendar to create calendar events and so on, Slack, Linear, Hacker News. So very limited, but if you go a bit down here, you will find an MCP server feature. All you need to do is provide your configuration for the MCP server. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically like an API. It allows you to connect some other tools with your agent. So let's say, for example, you want to, ask 11 AI assistant to do some research for you, write an article and publish it on your WordPress website. You can find a WordPress MCP or, like third-party MCP and connect it to your website. Then with 11, you can ask it to do some research, write some notes, and publish that on your WordPress website. So it's really promising, but right now, I think they might need some feedback to improve, fix, and so on. You have other customization options here. That's fine for me for now. Actually, this feature is basically the same feature that we saw, which is conversational AI from 11 Labs. They just made it as, like an assistant, like your smart Siri that can do stuff. Perplexity and other tools provide this, but 11 Labs is, the feature is really nice. You can also integrate it into your website if you need, the conversational AI feature that you can find at 11 Labs. But anyways, it's really nice. I wanted to give it a try and share this with you. I hope this helped. And if you would like to learn more about AI agents and how to use them for your content and your business, this is your channel. I'm Hossamudin. I'll see you in the next video, and peace.